Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with a Wednesday morning video. Today we just wanted to caption the video basically what to do. So it's really deflating when, basically all year we've had red, breaking records in the wrong way. Highest inflation, when's it gonna end? Are we going into a recession? Are we gonna go into an earnings recession? There's just so much uncertainty, everything going on. Right when we get like a little rally, it just sells off in less than a week or two or three at most. So we had a little rally in May, then we had a little rally kind of last week, and we didn't really see it recover yesterday or Monday. So I'm gonna just basically summarize what I think is going on, maybe news that happened yesterday, basically. So the sell-off, it's clearly continuing down. So Friday's rally did not last into Monday or Tuesday. We'll see what happens today. The pre-market all yesterday after hours was green, red, green, red, green, red. So who knows what's going to go on today. A lot of news broke yesterday of recession fears. This has been something I've been talking about, I think, for the past 2-3 months at this point. So I think I've been saying this for a while that we're already in a recession. Q4 of 2021, GDP was negative. I do think we're going to have negative GDP for Q1. So if you're not familiar with what that is, it's gross domestic product. Q4 red, it obviously lags a quarter. So Q1 is basically going to get reported in the first numbers are going to be reported, I believe, in the third week of July. So they're coming up. It's in like 3 weeks. So I think they're going to come in negative. So now people on CNBC and Bloomberg and analysts are now saying, oh, we might be in a recession now. And that's really freaking people out in the market. You're getting misconception there. Some people are saying we're not. Some people are saying we are. So just the fact that it's being headlined and being brought up now, I think it's more on people's minds and they're freaking out. And with the current sell-off that's happening, it's just really deflating as far as the sentiment. So I think people are just kind of throwing their hands up, giving up. That's not what you want to do as a long-term investor. You kind of want to stick at it, buy your favorite stocks and stick the course. Energy. So the only thing that did well yesterday was energy. I do think that people are kind of trading this and they think that, especially like here in America, obviously we have 4th of July, a lot of people are going to be traveling for the long weekend this weekend. And I think people are playing this trade as, well, people travel during the 4th of July. They fly, they'll drive or something like that. So people are playing this energy play. So that was green yesterday. I think that's very short-term, short-sighted play. I don't really do the commodity stuff. So that's why I think energy rose, and that also probably correlated to the sell-off that we saw yesterday and Monday. One good thing that happened yesterday was China announced that they're easing restrictions. However, they could U-turn so quick. They could do it forever. They could, go back on lockdown or flip a switch. They have a zero COVID policy there. They claim they have no COVID there anymore, so that's great. If that's true, doubtful, but that's good. They're opening up. They're going to help with supply chain issues and get manufacturing back and going and getting trade going, ease up the supply chain restrictions. So that's good. Hopefully they stay open for a while. And the president over there basically said they're going to have a positive GDP year, even though they were closed for about a quarter of the year. So I don't know how they're going to do that, but good luck. And they might, because nobody really double checks their numbers. But anyways, that's a plus sign for the market if they are opening and they are at least saying that. So that's good. What my plan is, I'm going to stick my course. I've been very patient and selective with buying stocks. I could very well see us legging down, especially if CPI comes in hot next month, which is possible. It might, there's a lot of projections where we might not hit a peak yet. I think we did, because I see a lot of pain and a lot of slowing down personally in at least my area. But that doesn't necessarily mean every area is having a slowdown. So my plan is just stick the course. I'm going to buy my favorite stocks. I haven't bought anything last week or this week. So basically nothing, question mark. I'm kind of in no man's land right now because I love like Shopify sub 300. It's not there yet. I like Meta around 155. It's not there yet. What else I like? I like PayPal under 70. It's close, but not there yet. So I'm just being very selective and patient in what I buy. NVIDIA, I like around 145. It hasn't been anywhere near that. It's floating around the 160, 170 range. Kind of want to get a little cheaper. So that would be like the bottom pre-COVID level. So I kind of want to get in that position because a lot of people are actually let's just say like this was 2019, then COVID hit, and then we went like this. A lot of people are saying, you know, don't buy the stocks until they're in like this area. So a lot of my favorite ones are like right here, right now. So they're like at the top of pre-COVID, but I really want to buy them like down here. That's kind of where I'm focusing currently right now. So, I mean, really, if you buy them at that evaluation, so many companies got money, grew, especially the large cap guys. So Disney's actually one that I've owned since 2019. That's one that's getting very, very, very interesting for me. I think, you know, they'll do fine in the long term, but that's another one that I really have my eye on. The JP Morgan analyst, he came out Friday saying that we're going to see a 7% move to the green side in the S&P 500 this week because of the rebalancing. He's been very wrong. So I think the S&P is down 4 or 5% already this week. So for him to be right, it's got to move over 10% starting today, tomorrow, and Friday. So we'll see. It's possible. I mean, you could just have a massive, massive inflow of cash in the markets from the banks and all that stuff. But it's not looking good right now for his remarks. So he's going to look like a fool if he's wrong because he published it and put his neck out there. But so that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm kind of just, you know, laying low. If I buy any stocks, I'll let you guys know and I'll make a video of what I bought and what percentage. But that's all I got. Till tomorrow. Peace.